Please, my audience, please pardon me. Something is making me to laugh. I used to think that there is this tribe in Nigeria, in southeast, but they put themselves say that they are in south. They call them Ijo. I used to think that these people are confused, but I saw another tribe in that area that is more confused. Ikwere people, I will let you to see one video now. These people are Igbo people. You understand? It's like my father brother migrated to, for example, let me say, my uncle migrated from Nigeria to Ghana. You understand? Then he got there. Okay, let me not use Ghana because Ghana is very far. For example, let's say, yes, my uncle migrated from my village to that part of the eastern region. They are calling it south, but it's southeast. So when he got there, it's a very long time, he started to have offsprings there, children, started to expand his family. And now their offspring, that's their children, their grandchildren, they bear the same name like me. Like, as you're going to listen now, there's one, they say his name is Uche. Uche means Uchenna, God's mind. The God's mind, you understand? And he says from Ikwere, it's Ikwerian. So, and the guy was asking him several questions, He couldn't answer. One said that he's from Benin, but he bears Igbo name and speaks Igbo. He says from Benin. And Benin people said that they are not from Benin. It's a very serious issue that they deliberated on for a very long time. But still, these people, they don't want to hear. This is where confusion is embedded. That is, these people, they sleep inside confusion. They don't know which way. Guy, your name na Uchenna. Your name na Ndoka. Your name na Chukwuemeka. Your name is Uchenna. And you say you are not an Igbo person. Bro, this one at the highest level of confusion. This one, they don't chop on, take on, do soup. Still they chop on. I beg, I don't want to waste our time. Make una watch the conversation between the interviewer and the person that they are trying to interview. Please, make una watch. What's
your native name, sir?
My name is Uche.
Uche?
Uche.
An Igbo name?
We bear Igbo name, but that does not mean that we came from Igbo.
You came from Igbo? You came from... That doesn't mean...
That we came from Igbo because we bear the same name.
You bear the same name? And you speak the same language?
No, our language is different.
Our language is different? But Igbo people can understand your language?
Not all, but Equatorians hear them.
But there are some... What's your Equatorian name? Your native name?
My native name is Nwaburuke.
Nwaburuke?
Yes.
What does it mean in Igbo?
In Igbo? No, don't say... You should ask me what...
Nwaburuke.
You should ask me what does it mean.
What does it mean in Equatorial language, sir?
If a child, you understand? If a child is a gift.
But an Igbo man can understand that.
That is why I'm telling you now. They may understand because this language is given to them by God, and the one we are speaking is given to all by saying God.
This I promise. What's your name? Your native name?
My name is Thank God. My native name is Chimenem.
Chimenem in Igbo language.
In Igbo language.
It's an Igbo language, huh?
We can answer similar names. The name can be maybe somehow, maybe closer. Like here now. Let me say there are, how do I put it? Like
met my wife in my house. She's from Igbo, from Imo State. One of my sons gave him Obunda. And Obunda, it's an Ekwe language. You understand? And me, I call him Obunda. Then my wife called him Obinda. You understand? That Obinda is an Igbo language. But that Obunda is an Ekwe language. You understand me? So that is it. But of a truth, we are from Benin. We have seen the history. We have read it. We have studied it.
So why is Igbo telling another history of your ancestry?
Anybody that tells you that Ikore is migrated from Igbo, tell the person me Emmanuel said his life.
Where is Ikore from?
We are from Benin.
Ancient Benin?
Yes, that is what my grandfather said.
But you are not speaking Benin language and you are not bearing Benin names.
Just like as my colleague told me here. Many of us, the name to answer. If you go to Benin, you understand me? The same name is Ite. You understand me? You know, we and the people we are close and over here. You understand?
Again,
The Igbo is Ikore.
how?
They are our junior brother now.
So if Ikore is an ethnic
Ikore is an ethnic
group in Igbo.
I have been telling you time without number. Ikore is an ethnic.
Good morning,
Then
sir.
if Igbo said they want to be Ikore, they want to be Ikore people. If they want to be if they want to be Ikore, our hands are open. After all, we sell land and give to them.
It's Igbo that
Things and give to them.
it is Igbo that it is Igbo,
They marry us. You understand? We are friends. I've told you the other time that we are friends.
but it is Igbo that is like ocean that is going to take up Ikore.
No, they cannot.
Because
They
Ikore will sink inside Igbo.
No, they cannot take off Ikore. Ikore is too big.
How is Ikore?
Ikore is too big.
There is only one ethnic group in Rivers State.
In River State. No, Ikore, okay, he said in River State. I heard that. Thank you for that. In River State. Like Igbos speak